Data. It's big. Your business has many functions, and everybody needs their own copy. Your data is breeding on its own. And as you build more valuable production data, all the copies of that data rocket away through the terabytes and petabytes, out of control. Where will you be tomorrow if you carry on like this? It's so inefficient. Everything flies first class because there's no way of knowing if you're protecting a valuable report or a piece of viral junk. It's hard to access because you merge it down into some obscure format and stick it on a tape that takes hours to retrieve. And everything stops across your business when it's time to do the nightly backup. Managing this and more adds up to a costly patchwork of technical products, especially where vendors' expensive hardware needs their expensive special software to run on it. When will data protection catch up with the accelerated cloud services that bring value to so many other parts of your business? With CopyPoint, there is only one copy of your data, the gold copy. Your teams all use the same data for whatever project or purpose they demand. And data is never merged down into an obscure format. So when you need to be agile to an opportunity, it can be mounted in seconds. Data is held natively in its original format. Your data can be restored in seconds with just a few clicks, around the world, on any device. And it doesn't matter how big the dataset is. And it's smart. CopyPoint knows which parts of a file are new and which parts are shared with gold, and stores only what it needs. Clever stuff blends it all back together and presents it as complete files, servers, or business applications. Copy data is a thing of the past. Data protection, which used to take hours, now takes minutes, freeing up IT capacity for other more important tasks. What used to be a costly obstacle that had to be planned around is now simple. Like breathing, essential for life, but effortless and invisible. Disaster recovery is baked in. Your data is replicated with a gold copy held in 2 locations. So if the worst happens, all your data services can be restored in minutes. Runbooks check the quality of your application recovery arrangements at any time of day or night. So your disaster recovery people will sleep well. You can test failover at any time, and you can run DR on our dynamic DR platforms, which are pay-as-you-go, eliminating the need to maintain your own DR infrastructure. And when one of your customers needs to add another data service, because the data is now virtualized, it's ready to go, straight out of the box in seconds. No more capital outlay for test and development. No more standby DR sites. Backup is a thing of the past. You'll lower the cost of your infrastructure by as much as 60% and support business in the race to innovate. Your staff can focus away from firefighting to driving more value to your customers. We craft all this with your future goals in mind. We're not selling to IT, we're selling with IT, giving you tailored solutions for all budgets. Instant data means you'll be faster to market, providing new services your customers will love when they demand it. And you'll be secure and resilient for the future. It's how data storage should be. So talk to Union today and find out how we can put a little gold into your data services.